Hello everybody, welcome back to my Introduction to Bash Scripting video series. In this video we're going to cover Bash arguments. So if we head back to our terminal, as you can see we have our DevDojo script here, and let's go ahead and edit it, and let's remove everything actually. In Bash, an argument is considered anything that you put after the script when you execute it. So for example, if you run the script devdojo.sh and then put a word after that, that word would be considered the first argument. Let me show you an example so that it would be clear for you. Let's go ahead and put a few echo statements and echo out the arguments passed to the script. So let's just do echo argument number 1 followed by $1, and the 1 here means that the first argument of the script should be echoed out. And let's copy this line. I'm doing this with Control-K and then Control-U a couple of times. I'll just update information here. If you go ahead and save that and exit, now we can run the script. So bash devdojo, as you can see, there are no values echoed out because we ran the script without passing any arguments. So let's go ahead and put a couple of arguments. I would put a dog and a cat and a bird. So if we run that, we can see that the first argument is a dog, the second one is a cat, and the third one is bird. That's because that's the order that we are passing the arguments in. If we remove the third argument, as you can see, now there's nothing echoed out. If we change the position of the second and the third argument, you can see that the output changes as well. So you can have as many arguments as you like, and in some cases you might want to reference all of the arguments. To do that, all that you need to do, use a $sign and the @ So let's go ahead and test that. If you do an echo, all arguments are, and then if you put a $sign and then the @ this would basically output all of the arguments that you add after the script. So if you go ahead and run it, and let's put a couple of arguments and hit enter, as you can see, we are able to see all of the arguments outputted on the same line. The first argument is accessed via a $1, the second one is accessed via $2, and so on. And if you want to reference the script itself, you can do it with $0, which basically is referring to the name of the script itself. In our case, it's just devdojo.sh. Let's actually go ahead and test this. Let's do echo $0. Save that, and let's run the script again. Of course, let's pass a couple of arguments, and if we hit enter, as you can see, the last line that's being outputted is the name of the script. This is actually a quite handy solution if you need to have a script that self-deletes itself. If you do an rm-f $0 and then run the script, it will delete itself. So if we run it and then run ls-l, you can see that the folder is now empty. And this is going to be pretty much for this video. This is how you can use bash arguments in your bash scripts. I hope you enjoyed so far. In the next video, we're going to cover bash arrays. Thank you, and to support this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button.